I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this. My body's too bootylicious for you, baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey, what's up? Do you like the quality of the video? Welcome to my new camera. This is super exciting. I got this weird looking, very futuristic, self-stabilizing camera. So supposedly if I'm like, you guys are doing okay. Was that okay for you? Was that okay for you? Anyways, I'm super pumped that I got this camera. Okay, so let's see if I can I film? Like, can I film my doggos? Hi, doggo. How are you doing? Good? Oh, here's doggo number 2. Look at that doggo. Oh, my trash can. Okay, guys. So basically what is going on right now is I'm trying to redo my office. So let me give you guys a little overview. This is my, oh my god, 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 oh my god. My office as of late. It has been a real experience trying to get this ish together, let me tell you. So I'm in a place right now where I'm just trying to be not a piece of crap. And my office, I put it together. Ooh, I should turn off. I was watching It, Chapter 2. Oh, happy Vlogmas Day 10, by the way. A little leopard thing in It. Not cute. Not cute. So I'm in a stage of life right now where I'm annoyed with myself. I'm tired of being around me. You know what I mean? Like, I'm ending a decade, which will be the 3rd time I've done it in my life. But the thing about this particular decade is that this has been my most conscious decade. I guess I've been the most conscientious of my own choices. Like, almost the entirety of the 2010 decade, I was in charge of my own decisions, jobs, where I lived, and, to a certain extent. So right now, I gotta be honest, I'm sick of my own shit. I feel like I did okay. I feel like I'm a good person and I did good things, but the end of the year has just got me stressed out, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do right now is we're just cleaning up this office still. And so I want to take you guys on that journey as much as I can. And this camera, I think, is going to be really helpful. So I don't know. Oh my god, you're so freaking secure right now. Look at that. Now you got a full room view. Oh my god, that gives me anxiety. I don't want you to have a full room view. Okay, so let me try and set you up and tell you guys what I'm trying to do, and I'll be in touch with you. Okay, so guys, so I'm standing at my Alex 9 drawer, which you guys are probably super familiar with, but let me just show you. It's this guy right here, and yeah. It's honestly a complete disaster. And so what I'm hoping that I can do today is go through this drawer, because I have 2 of these. And so I want one to be in the office here and one to actually go in my coat closet to store stuff. The only thing I've cleared out is this top drawer, because honestly, you guys, this one is, I hope you guys can see, there's no zoom on this camera. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like you can see pretty well. So this one is empty because this one had checkbooks and stuff, so I decided to go through that. But clearly, let's see. Clearly I did not have the same pause when it came to this, because this one is full. So let's go ahead and get started.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do,